I'm working on the rear brakes of this Kawasaki 300 Bayou. The problem is, even though that these pads are new, it's at a full adjustment to try and get the pads to press against the drum when you squeeze the brakes or step on the foot pedal. So I have two options. I can try and find a new rear drum, which from what I've seen, it's about $300 US or more. For me to buy that and have it shipped here to Canada, I'm paying the difference in the Canadian dollar to US dollar, which is probably about 30%. Plus I'm paying for US postage and Canadian postage to get it here. So I'm looking at probably over $400 for a drum. My other option is to try and find a way so that when the brakes are squeezed or the foot pedal pressed, that this device here, which rotates and spreads the pads, I need to find a way to increase how much it spreads these pads when it rotates. So there it is, sitting in place. I bent the one end down at the top side. And now, I guess let's see what happens when I put it back together. Well, it worked surprisingly well, but I need to shim it a little bit more in order to get a little bit more space on the adjusters on the up here. So might as well, while I'm in here, put a second one in and do my final adjustment, and that'll be it.
Well, there she is, all loaded up, ready to go back to the owner. The brakes work now. In fact, they work so well that the emergency brake, the parking brake, will now work. So I should have a happy owner when they get this back.